Look at this dude, bruh.
You're gonna see a muscular guy on your camera later.
Yeah, whatever. Bro said this is peak male physical whatever. Got the dad bod going. Oh Lord. What up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Last night I filmed a really good like hour-and-a-half long bit of footage with Ryan and Jaden, and I finally figured out how to do the Cardo group connect thing. So like we were all chit-chatting and bullshitting and everything, and the footage got deleted, and I'm super mad because I was really excited to edit that and post it and everything because it was a really good video. But we're gonna refilm today a different video with the crazy dude on a bike that I want. Got the MT10. But today we're going out to a car meet again, and it should, oh golly, it should be fun. It's supposed to be really big. It's supposed to be a lot of cars. God damn. I don't know. I wish that the footage from last night would have gotten saved, because honestly it was really, really good and I enjoyed it. It was really fun. We were out for like an hour-and-a-half. But GoPro, bro, they had to go and ruin my parade. No, I'm just kidding. I don't really care. I've been doing a lot of my editing on my phone, so I think I'm gonna finally switch over to my gaming PC and just edit from that now. I mean, I'm hoping that it works, but we'll have to see, because the last time I tried doing it, I had issues with importing, so we'll see what ends up happening. We might get it to work, we might not, but I'm sorry I've been so inconsistent with uploads, but we're working on it.
Cross the bridge, go left.
Huh?
Cross the bridge, then go left.
Okay, so we're getting on the highway. Okay. Could have just said that. Yeah. So something that's kind of been on my mind lately here is, why can't people be loyal? Like, genuinely, we were talking about it last night, and it was something I was going to put in the video that I was supposed to have up, but it got deleted, annoyingly. No, but why can't people just be loyal? Jaden brought up a really good point about micro cheating, about how like Instagram algorithm really pushes for like posting women in bikinis and inappropriate clothing with inappropriate poses and all kinds of stuff, and I agree with him on that. I just don't understand why people have lost all morals and all respect for their significant other. Like, it's not hard just to be loyal. If you don't want to be loyal, don't be in a relationship. Don't hurt somebody's feelings, you know? Being in a relationship means being committed and being respectful to each other, you know what I mean? That's just my point of view. I mean, I know there's people that do like open relationships and whatever, and to each their own, you know? That's on you. That's your own choice to make, and if that's what makes you happy, then so be it. I see so many people that get into these quote-unquote committed monogamous relationships and then go and cheat and, you know, go talk to other women, and it's with it how easy it is. Oh my god. With how easy it is to hide shit nowadays with Snapchat and Instagram doing the whole photo deleting thing and everything like that, it's so easy to hide the fact So easy to hide the fact that you can just cheat and go do whatever you want and whatever, and it's like, dude, don't do that. Oh, hey, helicopter, that's kind of badass. That was sick. Let's see what we got going on when we get here. I think we're almost there though. I'm hoping so. Allegedly, we're supposed to have a huge turnout today, so they keep it fun. Yep, I'm pretty sure this is the place. Pretty sure this is the place, dudes. That place over there is really cool to get pictures at. I love going over. It's like an old abandoned factory warehouse kind of thing. I love going over there for pictures. Oh yeah, I already see, I don't know if that's the lot that we're going to, but I already see a ton of cars. Alright dudes, we have arrived. Ignore that. Are you threat to rest? Oh my god, bro, you're a famous YouTuber. Can I have your autograph, bro? You and me both.
Today, but my GoPro was dead.
I'm having issues with importing footage, but I'm gonna try. Just cause good footage today.
Good stuff, man.
Huh?
I said good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
bye bye. Alright dudes, we have made it out of the car meet. We got to see Threat to Rest, my boy, my favorite YouTuber ever. I'm just kidding. He is a really good friend of mine though. Go sub to my boy's YouTube channel if you guys get the chance to. He does lots of cool BMW content. So if you're a Euro guy like me, just kidding. If you're a Euro guy, go sub to the channel. A BMW that he was sitting in is like meth injected and makes like 600 something wheel horsepower. And it's all-wheel drive, so that thing is like wickedly fast. And he used to have it on some pretty baller wheels too, so it looked really freaking good. Anyways, so something else I was talking about last night in the video that unfortunately got deleted was, if you see people on YouTube like me or my friends or like Jixer Bra or like Mad Maxi or like Max Wrist or a moto YouTuber like any of them, don't ride the way they do. it's just not, you know, I understand that you see it and you're like, oh, this is so cool, I want to do this, this is so fun. I understand, but don't, I mean, and you see us do stuff that's a little excessive to what could be happening, and it's just like, don't put yourself in a position where you are in danger or you're endangering anybody around you. You know, I don't want to say don't do it, because everybody that has a motorcycle is going to do dumb shit. It's just, it's inevitable. You're going to. It's just inevitable, you know? Just don't do something that's gonna put you or anybody around you in harm's way. You gotta keep yourself safe, you gotta keep the people around you safe. You know, and we do get carried away sometimes, but we also try to get carried away in a sense that we will be okay and everybody around us will be okay. I think the plan is we're gonna stop and grab us something to drink here, and then we're gonna go meet up with the boy Caveman, and we're gonna go hang out and figure something out.
And that's right. I'm gonna get on the freeway and set my cruise control.
I know, this dude talks about, oh, I'm not boozy.
I'm not bougie. Let me set the cruise control.
You have cruise control on your motorcycle, dipshit.
I would have went and bought a brand new one.
Fair enough. I think the plan is we're getting on the highway and doing some chooching. Not like illegal chooching, just cruising. Because Kevin doesn't like putting his R1 in the city, because he can't let his clutch all the way out to like 40 miles an hour. Kevin's exhaust flew off. Oh, baby. Huh?
Wait for this to cool off before we touch it, because I can't even touch that with my fucking gloves. Is that a flathead?
Oh my god, no. Bro, I'll tell you what. That O2 sensor. It's about the strongest O2 sensor wire I've ever seen. Oh my god. Dude, it's smoking up a storm. Yep, it's oil. Alright, boys. We have band-aided it back together.
Don't get it.
This is what happens when you buy a Yamaha.
That's what happens when you put a screamer pipe on a Yamaha.
Oh my god. Well, that was interesting. Alright, let's see if my bike starts. Okay. Damn, this thing sounds nice. Alright, we're gonna make sure that Caveman gets back to his house okay without his exhaust spontaneously falling off again. think that's just about going to wrap it up for today's video, dudes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Boop. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Very nice, very, very nice. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, the whole 9 yards. We'll see you guys on the next one here.